King EPOPS' suspicions are confirmed. This is an outrage. You are to leave and take your kind with you.
You're right, EPOPS. There is not enough room for both of us in this city. Gentlemen, arrest this bird.
This is an outrage!
Oh, one moment. What do you think?
Excellent, my liege.
Nick, we need to talk now.
Phoebe, where were you?
Nick, we have to order an emergency evacuation of the city immediately.
Evacuation? Why?
The Olympians. They're planning on launching an attack on the city.
When?
Tomorrow.
How do you know this?
I was at the parkland. Athena told me.
General Apopoulos.
Yes, my liege.
Arrest Phoebe. She is not to be trusted and cannot leave the city.
What?
This is obviously some sort of ploy of the Olympians.
You're insane.
Nick, I'll make sure she doesn't leave the city.
No, she's far too dangerous. If she leaves, it could mean...
Trust me.
My liege, we're scheduled to review the troops. We must be going.
We will ensure she does not leave the city. Verdonia depends on it. You understand?
Yeah, we have to get out of here. This is crazy.
Get out of here. Where would we go?
Anywhere, another city, just not here.
What about Nick?
Nick wants to stay with Verdonia, then let him stay.
I can't leave her.
Soon there's not going to be out
I
here.
never left her when we were on the road, and I'm not going to leave her now. He's my brother.
You inspire me to do what I aspire to do, what I desire to live.
This city's all you need to see, just how much you mean to me.
I can't live.
Every human on this earth has the opportunity to be a god.
The muse has disappeared.
The Olympians are approaching.
The city will be destroyed before dawn.
The moment we submit, we concede, we falter, we are human.
This is the man who will lead us into war with the gods?
He doesn't know what he's doing.
He's dangerous.
My fellow Grecians, we have come this far. We must not falter as we march to victory.
We cannot let him proceed.
This is your moment. Come with me and I promise all of Greece will be yours.
What was I supposed to do? It's not my fault he wants to stay with his brother. What do you want me to do? Go back? Fine. As soon as we get Theo, we're getting out of there.
Phoebe, what are you doing all the way out here? I've been looking for you.
I'm not going back to Mount Olympus.
Not now you're not. You broke the deal. You can never go back. I'm sorry, Phoebe.
My liege, our men have scoured the city. No sign of Phoebe. Keep searching until she is found.
Yes, my liege.
The Olympians are coming and I need to deploy the troops. Listen to me. You will order your birds to find Phoebe.
King EPOPS will do no such thing.
Very well. Then you and your flock shall be destroyed in the attack.
The birds will sense the Olympians coming. They will flee before the gods arrive.
You're willing to let your kingdom crumble?
You mean your kingdom?
Hey, THEODORUS!
Let go of me!
Where's Phoebe?
She's gone.
Gone? What do you mean, gone?
I let her go.
I entrusted you to keep her in the city.
Hey, look. It's Phoebe Burgo. What is she saying?
I don't know. It's all Greek to me.
She's saying Phoebe has been captured by Athena.
Athena?
She said she's been taken back to Athens.
See what you've done, Theo? You put the entire city at risk. Apollos, take EPOPS and the bird to the western detention block. Order Xanos and Paps and ready the troops. Where are you going?
To find Phoebe.
The Olympians are coming. They'll find you before you reach Athens.
I have to get her.
This wouldn't have happened if you had just listened.
And the city wouldn't be on the verge of destruction if you had listened to Phoebe.
You want to see the city destroyed, don't you?
What?
That's why you let her go. You just wanted to see me fail.
Nick, this isn't about you. This is about her. What's that?
Police! Our troops have begun the evacuation procedure. All residents are being escorted to leave the city immediately.
An evacuation? I didn't order an evacuation.
Orders of General Xanos, my liege.
Bring me Xanos and cancel evacuation. Nobody leave. Order Papas to proceed with the attack.
As you wish.
It's over, Nick.
If you leave, Theo, don't think you're coming back.
There's not going to be anything to come back to.
You wish you could do what I've done around here. You wish you could make what I've made of this city.
Make what? Another Athens, but worse? Every city we've ever been kicked out of? I wanted someplace different, Nick. Not this.
What you want doesn't exist. Never has and never will. The sooner you get your head out of the clouds, the sooner you'll realize we're living in the real world. All those philosophies we spend our time rocking don't mean a thing. They may sound nice. They may look pretty on paper. But they mean nothing.
My liege, General Xanos has fled. General Papas is dismantling the troops and escorting the remaining citizens beyond the city limits.
We'll have to hold the city with what we have. Order the rest of the troops to press forward.
One last thing.
What's that?
My resignation.
Please, Nick. Let's just go.
I'm not leaving.
Fine. I'm going to find Phoebe. Go ahead.
In fact, you're hereby banished from Burgonia.
Banished? You're banishing me?
Get out of my city!
Your city?
Well,
you
you
know
know it's part of the universe you live in. That's why we have to care of yourself. What's the lies and no concept of reality? What's someone dies in your life? All your existence to anyone but yourself. Just be saying another heartbeat feel. See where it gets you.
Fine.
Fine! Fine! Theo, come on, buddy, get up. Are you going to eat us?
King EPOPS believes your countrymen have a far worse fate intended for you.
Good hope and good hope.
Yes.
You're wanted at the Parthenon.
Nick?
Theo, are you all right?
I think so. What's going on?
It's okay, Theo. We're going home. Remember what Dad used to say? He'd say, I think I really screwed up this time.
When did he say that?
I don't know. But I think I really screwed up this time. I just wanted one place we could never be kicked out of.
But getting kicked out was the best part.
It was?
Of course it was. Because every time we got kicked out, it was with you.
Theo, I'm sorry. I'd do anything to get us out of this.
Back to Athens.
Where's Phoebe?
Phoebe? She's hanging around here someplace. Oh, look at that pretty little picture. Two birds with one stone. Cassandra.
These proceedings hereby place upon the defendants the following charges against Mount Olympus and the sovereignty of Greece. Unauthorized civic organization, harmful manipulation of the Greek population, and treason and conspiracy against the gods.
How does the Commonwealth find the defendants?
Guilty as charged.
God, I love the democratic process.
Punishment for the following crimes is death.
Death?
Death.
Bring forth the low-carb hemlock. Half the calories, all the horrific agony.